Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Narissa and today I created this makeup look for you and I can't wait to show you how. Let's get started. So first I'm going to use this concealer here. It's like eyeshadow primer. And this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal. Yeah. So I'm using this palette here, and the first color that I'm going to use is Zobo, this color here. Oh, I just love this. Like, do you all see how beautiful this looks? If you are looking for an eyeshadow palette with lots of vibrant colors, I definitely recommend this one. Like, just look at how beautiful that is already. And I'll say it, I've said it once and I'll say it again, not all eyeshadows are created equal. So when you find good quality eyeshadow, you know. You definitely know. So the next color that I'm going to use is going to be Calabar, which is this color right here. Ooh, I like that. I know here lately I've just been in the mood to like create the eye look first and then go back. But normally I put on my foundation first, but I know here lately I've been doing it this way. Okay. The next color that I'm going to use is going to be, I have to read this, Dahlia. And I'm just going to do a sweeping motion. How beautiful is that? Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, now I to, I'm actually going to use some of my Makeup Shayla highlight, and I'm just going to put a dot of it in the corner of my eye. And this is in the color Boomin'. Ooh, I like. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm actually going to now go back, put on my foundation and highlight and contour and my eyebrows. So, okay, so first I'm going to use this CoverGirl Vitalist, and it's in the color 760. And this has sun protection, sunscreen in it as well. I'm going to use my LA Girl in the color Fawn. And remember, with your highlight, it should be about 2 shades or so lighter than what you are. Excellent, excellent. Just gonna go back in and put a little bit more. This dries really quickly, so be mindful of that. Be mindful of that when you are putting this on. That's why you see me doing it like a bit at a time, because I don't want it to like dry and be kind of like streaky looking on my face. And this way, if I do it bit by bit, it looks better. Now, what are some things that you all struggle with when it comes to like highlighting and contouring your face? Comment those down below, because I would love to answer those questions for you. I'm not putting too much highlight on my forehead because I have a bang, so kind of. And because I have a bang, I'm actually not even going to like contour up here, because you're not going to be able to see it anyways. So that's something to keep in mind, like when you are doing your makeup. What does your hair look like? Are you going to have on a hat? Is there anything that's going to be blocking certain aspects of your face that's going to affect the way that you do your makeup? Such as my bang. So now I'm going to use the color Toast to contour. I'm using this. I'm using a angled brow brush. So if you look, you'll be able to see that it's cut at an angle. So that makes it easier when it's time for you to make your lines. Now I'm actually going to go back in and very, very lightly, I'm going to use Zobo under my under eye. And I'm patting it lightly because I really don't want to get a lot of eyeshadow in my eye. That's what I noticed with the sweeping motion that I had been doing in the past. I was getting a lot of eyeshadow in my eye. Okay, so I'm using the Milani Instant Color in the color Spice. And now I'm using the Milani Amore Matte. Amore Matte. And the color Precious. Now I'm going to use my Milani Baked Bronzer. I'm not actually going to put on blush. Okay everyone, that is today's completed makeup look. I hope that you've enjoyed today's tutorial. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every single time I upload something new. And follow me on Instagram at Nerissa Explains It All and Facebook at Nerissa Explains It All. I can't wait to see you again very soon. Bye.